Terminating and recurring and rounding decimals. Terminating decimals. Here we got 1/8. We can change that to 1 divided by 8. So the first step is to find the divisor and the dividend. Step 2, place the numbers correctly to be ready for short division. Carry out the short division. How many 8s go into 1? 0. We carry the 1. How many 8s go into 10? 1. What's the remainder? 2. How many 8s in 20? 2. What's the remainder? 4. How many 8s go into 40? 5. So therefore, 1/8 is equivalent to 0.125. So step 4, round if necessary. If we want to round to 2 decimal places, this is what we have to do. We have 0.125. So we want to round to 2 decimal places. So starting from the right side of the decimal point, so in between the 2 and the 5, we can draw an imaginary vertical line, and we see if that next value is 5 or more, and if it is, we round up. If it's 4 or less, we keep it the same. In this case, it's 5 or more, so we have to round up. So we round up that 2 to 3, and now we have 0.13, which is 0.125 to 2 decimal places. Recurring decimals. Here we got 1/3. That is equivalent to 1 divided by 3. So first step, find the divisor and the dividend. Place the numbers correctly and carry out the short division. How many 3's go into 1? 0. We carry the 1. How many 3's go into 10? 3. What's the remainder? 1. Again. How many 3's go into 10? 3. What's the remainder? 1. How many 3's in 10? 3. Let's see what happens. We've extended the line, and it seems to keep going. It's still going. What do we do? It's still going. Still going. How long will this go for? Okay, well, we better put a stop to this, or we'll just have to keep going forever. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually round. So we've got 0.3 reoccurring. Now what we can do is round it to 1 decimal place because each digit is 3. So we're going to round if necessary. So now what we can do is write 0.3, and for reoccurring we can put a little dot on top, as you can see. So that's rounded to 1 decimal place. For 2 decimal places we can use what we call a vinculum. Using mixed numbers. For 2/3, convert the integer into a decimal. So the integer in this case is 2, so 2 wholes, or 2.00. Step 1, find the divisor and the dividend, okay, for the remaining value. So we've got 1/3. Place the numbers correctly, carry out the short division. So how many 3's go to 1? 0, so we carry the 1. How many 3's in 10? 3, carry the 1. How many 3's in 10? 3, we carry the 1. And now what we can do is round if necessary. So we include the integer. So round to 2 decimal places, we have 0.333. This time we're going to do 2 decimal places. So imagine an imaginary vertical line. Is this digit 5 or more? If so, we round up. If it is 4 or less, we keep it the same. In this case it's 4 or less, so we'll keep it the same. So we have 0.33. We have to remember the 2 wholes as 2.33. And we're missing one thing. Because the number is reoccurring, we need that vinculum. So therefore 2 1/3 is equivalent to 2.33 reoccurring.